This is a simple wall decor idea. You can use it to decorate the walls of your rooms, offices, and lots more. To make the flowers, you need just your scissors, gum, and the paper of your choice. Place your ruler on your paper and cut out 2 cm. Don't let it be too tiny or too big. Then cut out as many as you can, but it must be at least 20 pieces for each flower. Then start folding the papers into 2. Apply your gum at the tip and then close it out. After applying your gum, close it gently and be careful when you're doing that. You will have something like this. Do this to all the 20 pieces you cut out. Just like this. So after folding the papers, cut out a round shape. Make sure it's not too small and must not be big. Then start placing the folded papers on the round shape you cut out. Apply your gum on the paper and you place it. This is how it will look like. Place it right in the center. Keep on applying gum on the papers and pastes. Apply gum and pastes. You have something like this. Here, continue adding papers and make sure you're filling in all the gaps in between 2 papers. Anywhere you notice a gap, put a paper there. And when you're done, cut a round paper also. Use any color of your choice. Make sure it's round and put at the center to cover up the gaps. These are my flowers. You can decide to use different colors. Alright, the next thing to do is to cut out your origami leaves flower, and then you start pasting on the wall. After that, you pick another paper of a different color, fold it front and back, then start pasting on the wall. Paste the folded paper first. The next thing is to paste the leaves inside the folded paper. Paste 2 leaves. Paste 1 flower by your right hand side. Let it be close to the folded paper and the leaves. Then paste another flower by your left hand side. Make sure it's very close also to the paper. Then paste the rest of the leaves. You have a beautiful wall decor. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel if you like the video for more tips.